Hello and welcome to another KB train spotting video. This day we're at Elsenham. Elsenham, if you can say it, I can't pronounce it, but hey ho. Well, I'll go call it Elsenham, and we're here and yeah, on the West Anglia main line, and today you'll see train service from Greater Anglia, CrossCountry, and also any bit of luck might see an odd freight going through here. If you like my video, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe. Any comments, I'll get back to you as soon as possible. And yeah, it's this really nice day. It looks like it's going to be a cracking station here. You know, you've got the old manual level crossing there, so it'd be nice to see them open and close and situation. And plus, on top of things, you're going to see some aircrafts, because there's Stansted Airport not very far away from here. And you can apparently, well, I'm staying, you can see some aircraft coming to land, so you might be able to get one or two of them. I'm not great on aircrafts, but to be honestly, I'll try as best as I can. So yeah, let's get cracking on this glorious day, and we shall see what shall turn up. Now we've got the first train, James, the Greater Anglia, work on the 755, won't start from Norwich towards Stansted Airport. 755-329. And what a cracking tone from the driver. And that passed here at 13:12. And now I'll go zoom out, because now we hope to go see the level crossing will open, because there isn't now expect to be another train for quite a long while now. So we should be able to see that. Might have to pause it a little bit. Right, I'm going to go pause it for a bit. Now we are processed to open the barriers now, the gates rather, of this nice. It's nice to see these still in use. And there you go. We'll get more trains when they come along, or if I get any aircraft, I'll get any aircraft. So we'll see what shall happen. Now we've got an aircraft coming in to Stansted Airport. And that one should be a Ryanair flight from Malta to London Stansted. That should be that flight. So there's a Boeing 373 AAS, that typical flight. I'll try and get more, but if I get any more rest on Zoom, I'll see as I go. That was that flight. Now we've got a Greater Anglia train coming through here. Welcome to 720, 571. On the rear is 134. For the driver, also for the horn, or unless they've got to press the horn. I think that's probably why. And that one service was running from Cambridge North to London Liverpool Street, that particular curve though, and passed you at 13:24, that service. So yeah, so now we're going to see what else shall turn up. Now we got another aircraft here. And that one is Jet 2, and that was from Rome to London Stansted, and that plane was Boeing 373-8K5. That jet, and that was that one. That passed, flown over at 13:25. Now we've got another plane coming through here. This one's definitely a Ryanair. You can clearly clear that one. It's Ryanair from Porto to London Stansted. They're all coming to London Stansted. That's Boeing 737-8AS. That one is. And yeah, so yeah, we'll just get planes as they come along. Yeah, we've got a small plane there. And that one is going from Dijon to, of course, London Stansted. And that was Embraer Phenom 300 NetJets Europe. So that's what I can pronounce and what I can see. And that was that plane, obviously going to arriving at Stansted Airport. Now we've got a Ryanair coming through here. And that one was from Prazkhanal in Poland to London Stansted Airport. There's a Boeing 373 MAX 8/200 and pass through here at 13:33. That one, and that was Ryanair operated by Buzz. Now we've got another plane coming in. And that one was from Istanbul to London Stansted Airport, of course. That is operator called Pegasus, which is Pegasus, as an Airbus A321-251NX. That particular flight. Now I'll just record a bit late here, and we are closing the barriers again for a train to come through, which should be the passing at 13:44 from London Liverpool to Cambridge North. It should be coming through any second, and it should be yeah, from London Liverpool to Cambridge North, and should be working on the 720. There should be a train coming the other way as well, so this one should come first, I do believe. I'll press record when it arrives. Now we've got CrossCountry coming in, 170, 106, and we've got Greater Anglia coming in, 720, and that's 533. And that one, Greater Anglia, was passed here at 13:45, which is the London Liverpool to Cambridge North, and the other service with the CrossCountry, which arrived superly late, arrived it at 13:44, passed it, should be running at 13:33 from Birmingham New Street to Stansted Airport. So yeah. Now we've got them train. Luckily I slipped round, did the cross-country first, because not I would have got covered up and I wouldn't be able to get the numbers. So that was a great idea, good thinking. So yeah, hopefully we'll get more trains as they come through. It should be coming through quite thick and fast. So that'll be cool, and we'll get them when we can. I'll still getting planes in between. So let's see what shall turn up. There is a train came through. Wasn't expecting it at whatsoever, and now I'm going to find what was that all about. That was from Temple Mills Loop to Cambridge, which right here quite early, what it said. So it should have come at 1400 hours, arrived at 13:48. That one, and hopefully I'm glad to get the numbers of that one. No, I'm not be able to get the numbers on that one, but you'll see it on the screen anyway. So yes, so that was empty coaching stock. So that hopefully now I'll be able to get the numbers back of that when I do the editing and everything. So we'll see what else turns up. Now we're closing the gates again. So this train should be coming, should be from Cambridge North to London Liverpool Street should be coming up, and which should be running a few minutes late. Hopefully go right anytime soon, and we'll get that when it does arrive. Now we've got this great round coming through, which came north to London Liverpool Street. Welcome to 720, running at 13:52. $720-535 on this particular set. Eventually we're seeing the train actually stops this time. So we'll get more of this train when it departs. Now this Greater Anglia, which should be 13:48, leaving a bit late, from Cambridge to North to London Liverpool Street, is just now leaving. Now we've got a Greater Anglia service, which is from Stansted Airport to Norwich, working the class 77. 755-329 on that particular set, if I correctly remember so. And that passed it at 13:55, that plane passed. And hopefully next train will be the freight train, hopefully now. So that will be good. And we'll get that when it arrives. Now we've got a freight coming through from Bowerton Pad to Wilmshire Euroterminal. Work on the class 66 here. 66752. GBRf. And that passed here at 13:57, that train. That did from Bowerton Pad to Wilstead Euroterminal, I think that's how you say it. So that passed it, and it was a GBRf. Now we've got a little bit of break, so we'll be probably going back for a little bit of plane spotting again, sounds like it. And I think it is going to be that way, I do believe. Now we're processing opening the gate again. We might as well get that in.
Get in there tight over there, yeah?
And next will be hopefully be quite a few planes. Now we've got another plane coming through here. And that one was an AJet, as you can see. It's blue. And that was from Ankara, which is I believe from Turkey, to London Stansted. That was an Airbus A321-271NX. There's some other numbers, but I don't know what they are, so I'll just do my best, because I don't know much about planes as I do much of trains. So yes, that was that flight. And also that passed at 14:01 at this location. Now we've got another plane coming in. It's a Ryanair, and that's a Ryanair from Walsall to London Stansted Airport, which is a Ryanair operated by bus, and that was a Boeing 737-8AS, that one. And I believe Walsall is Poland. Yeah, I believe that's Poland. So yeah, that's where it's come from. and that passed through here at this location at 14:03. Now we've got another plane coming through here, and that one was a Jet 2 from Ibiza to Stansted Airport with a Boeing 737-85P. I do believe this might be the flight number name, EX521PK. I'm totally not sure, so we'll see what more arrives, and we'll see when things do. Now we've got another Ryanair, and that was a Ryanair from Lisbon in Portugal towards Stansted Airport, and it was Boeing 737-8AS again. I do believe this might be the number of the plane, name of the plane situation RYR45PF. I'm just saying completely randomly, honestly. So yes, that was that plane. I promise you I will get back to trains, but there's nothing going on at the moment, so I'm just killing time by doing a bit of plane spotting. Now we've got a small little plane here. And that one was from Ibiza to London Stansted Airport. That was a Bombardier Challenger 350, and the VistaJet VJT 440. So that's what that one was. Now we've got a great roundlet coming through from Norwich to Stansted Airport, passing on 419. And that passed out 14:14. We open the barriers again. Now we've got another plane coming through here, and that one was a Jet 2 from Anglia, or I can't pronounce the name, ALICANTE to London Stansted Airport. That was a Boeing 373 85P. I think it's the number name, EX73PU rather. Now we've got a Great Wrangler train, which is the 1422 service from London Liverpool Street towards Cambridge North. Work on the 720. This time this one will stop. 720-126 on this particular set. And we've also got a rear on this one, so 720-569 on this one. And we get more of this train when it departs. Now this 1422 Great Wrangler from London Liverpool Street to Cambridge North is just now departing. Fortunately we've got people in the way, but it's just the way it goes. I'm going to try and squeeze past them. There you go.
Let's see if we can find the road, okay? I know they've got a little crossing.
Now we've got a Great Wrangler service coming through here from Cambridge North to London Street. 755, no, 720 get it right. 720-127 on that one. 720-127. And that passed you at 14.25 from Cambridge North to London Liverpool Street, Greater Anglia.
Sorry about this.
We've opened the gate again. I'll see if there might be some flights, but I'm less doubtful. Might be next one, might be a train. So time will come, time will tell and see. Now I've got a Ryanair coming through here. And that one from Anglia, I think ALICANTE, to London Stansted. And that was a Ryanair. Boeing 737 MAX 8/200, that one. It goes to RYR7GA, that one is. Now we got another aircraft to Stansted Airport. And that one from Ismar to London Stansted, and that was a SunExpress service. Boeing 373-8HC, and that was SKX S7CP, and now we should have a train coming past. Now we've got a CrossCountry coming in, work from Stansted Airport towards Birmingham New Street, work on the class 170-106. And that passed you at 14.35. And now that train now depart. I'm going to leave it there now. Hope you shall enjoy it, as I love filming here. If you like my videos, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe. In the comments, I'll get back to you soon as possible. Oh, it's been a fantastic time here. Oh, it's fantastic, you know. I wish I knew about this long time before, but I saw, so because I noticed by another video situation how I know about this place. So it's brilliant. I mean, you get all the trains, you know, on the, as you do on this line anyway, but also again, you get the flight path into Stansted Airport as well, which is absolutely amazing. So brilliant. You can really zoom in situation, and yeah, and that's for a last resort. There's another aircraft there going. Look like there's a Ryanair, so coming in situation. And if you do like this video, feel free to comment. And also it's nice to get some flights, you know, which is fantastic, you know. I have to say, brilliant, brilliant. I said I won't go put a video link what I've done here before, because I haven't done this one before. So yes, so unfortunately I can't tell you what blim flight is at the second anyway. So it's not appearing coming up at all. Yes, it's just come along, and from Nice to London Stansted. That's a Ryanair. That was Boeing 373 AAS RYR 11875. That one was. So that from Nice in France. So yeah, next station I do not know what I'm going to do. Time will tell, and I'm going to say goodbye, and goodbye for me, and goodbye.